Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here.
Later.
Hey everyone!
Hey everyone, it's JoJo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Again, today we're not in the studio, but honestly, this backdrop? If you guys want me to start filming here, let me know, because I'm really liking the vibes of this. But anyways, today we're going to be following one of JoJo Siwa's makeup tutorials. Now she has two makeup tutorials on her channel. Now we're gonna be following the Get Ready With Me on Tour Rainbow Dream makeup because, first of all, I'm not gonna do all that. Imagine taking off all that glitter. You guys want me to die? A lot of you guys love the following the makeup tutorial series that I have going on, but you guys really want to see me have my own twist to it and see what I would personally do. So we're gonna go ahead and do half my face the way that JoJo Siwa would do it and half my face the way that I would do it. I'm revolutionary, a pioneer or whatever. So without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and let's get started.
Hey, ewa salame, baba klopapir, ewa salame, zinzolbim, ewa salame, hey, hey.
As always, I'm gonna have the video in the corner so you guys can watch as well.
So I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna show you how to do my face today, I'm gonna redo my hair, then I'm gonna put my bow in, then I'm gonna...
Oh my gosh! We gotta do her hair. So I'm just gonna grab like a glob of this, slick that throughout my entire hair. Once it's mostly dry, you grab your extension. There's like a area where like the bun is gonna go in, but I don't have a bun because I don't have hair. You know, I'm just bald. So I literally just clipped this into my hair. Now since we are doing JoJo Siwa, I kinda wanna do it on the side of my head. We're using pretty pink sparkly clips because with, you know, JoJo Siwa. You think JoJo could do this? And then once you have your hair like in the way that you want it, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Got To Be Glued Blasting Free Spray. Girl, this is literal glue in a can. All right, and we're done. Now we're Ho-Ho Siwa.
I already did all my foundation, and my blush, and my contour, and my highlight, but I'm gonna...
I'll be right back.
I should do white first. Let's just put white everywhere with this. Sounds good. Make
White.
my eyeball even. Ta-da.
Eyeball. So she put white powder eyeshadow as her base on her eye, which I wouldn't do. We're gonna do it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the white Dreamful eyeshadow from the Stone Cold Fox palette. You guys can use code Indigo, 10% off. I stay forgetting that code. But wow, look at that pigment. That was one swatch. You better work.
Blending is like key. CJ's tip 101 on makeup, blending.
Wakanda, are you having a good birthday?
Is this not a tutorial? So judging from the inspiration picture, she went ahead and she did red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, and then purple. I'm gonna forget that. Roy G. Biv. Okay, and like she said in the video, blending. So we're blending them together. She brought this up a lot.
See, they did a really thin line of green, so I think I should do the blue and then do the green to blend it.
But what is going on? I can't even see it. I did not just put on this thing on the side of my head for nothing. This video is still going up. Okay, so from what I can see, she did like the blue and then the green still on the other eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. And then she did the green. Oh, I'm already feeling my JoJo Siwa fantasy.
I'm not sure how, but one way or another, I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, coming, it's coming. Let's do yellow.
So we just witnessed her like put on like a little pink blush around like the brow. So I'm gonna do the same thing as well. I'm probably the first person to inspect the out of this video trying to actually follow this along.
That's a better ombre than this one actually. I gotta fix it. Okay, that looks good.
Okay, so now she's adding the yellow, which she, I think, actually missed in the beginning because I fully could not see it for the life of me, but now I can see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the Fade Into Hue yellow eyeshadow, which is a big smile, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the center of my eye.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think I should put a little bit of this darker blue too to just make it pop a little bit more.
Ooh.
I'm gonna do mixtures of these glitters so that way it looks super rainbow. So I got the teal one and then I got the pink one. And I'm gonna do a little bit of them both to really give that rainbow effect.
So now this is a makeup tutorial. Before it wasn't, but now it is. I don't even know anymore. If you guys thought my makeup tutorials weren't descriptive, I fully have no idea what glitter she's talking about.
It's so sparkly!
Whoa! Am I really gonna do this with a brush? Yeah, we're gonna do it with the brush. Okay, teal and sparkly pink, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I think she actually only ended up using the blue, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the kaleidoscope. That is a very, like, chromy blue, and it is so pretty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's just great. We'll put it in my hair. Perfect. Little sparkle never killed no one. Got curl.
I'm going to pretend I didn't see that. I'm so sorry that you guys even have to see that in the first place. I cannot imagine having glitter in my hair.
Okay, keep going. Almost there, Joel.
All right, mascara.
Ta-da! Now I just gotta do the side glitters. Woo! Alright, this is the fun part actually. These are easy to do. Okay, so we go pink first.
I'm gonna have to zoom in into the little video over here, but she threw on like this like hot pink shade.
I'm gonna put that little hint of orange. Oh yeah, that's what I call a rainbow ombre. But after the yellow is the blue.
No!
Okay, I wanna put a little bit of green. Just in this little hole right there just to blend it. Now we just have to add the glitters. This is our liquid set for mixing and sealing.
So she just threw the glitters on the table and just started patting them on. I can't keep this up anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and just dip into these glitters and put them on my face with my finger. Okay, everybody that watches this channel, you guys know, you do not apply glitters with a brush if you guys want the maximum intense effect. It saves you a lot more time, it's a lot easier, and it shows up way more intensely. My eye has been twitching this entire video. Bye.
I think it's done. So now, this is my favorite part. Take your hairspray.
Hey, she's got the little got-to-be hairspray. Y'all saw that? Look at her, look at... I really am JoJo Siwa. Guys, I completely understand that she is not a makeup artist. Obviously, she has a makeup artist always on set, and this time the makeup artist was not there. So I'm not gonna hold her accountable, even though like my eye was twitching the entire time. I was freaking out. Let's start my own little version on this side of the face. So the first thing she did was apply white eyeshadow as her primer for eyeshadow. You don't wanna do that. And the reason you don't wanna do that is because you're gonna come out looking like this. It's gonna look very pale and it's not gonna grab, it's not gonna look very good. A primer is gonna be way different than an eyeshadow. It's gonna have properties that make the eyeshadow stick, and it's gonna be able to blend everything together. So there we go. Now when it comes to rainbow eyeshadow, it is a little tricky kind of figuring out what way to do it, because she was also confused as well, top or bottom, which don't even chuckle at that. I like to start from outwards inwards. I don't know why, it just feels like I get a crisper, more defined eyeshadow in the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the purple, and then to get a heightened effect with my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna flick that out. Then I'm gonna grab a smaller brush and the pastel blue shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix that into the purple. And next I'm gonna grab the green. Can you guys see just how different that primer is really doing the eyeshadows? Then I'm gonna do the yellow. This is gonna be a very rich yellow because we really needed to overpower that green and also mix into it. So I'm actually gonna put that one on all my eyelid, and I'm gonna go with the orange shade only on the outer portion of my eye, because this is a very vibrant color and this is a darker color. I want it to help with the illusion that my face is like more snatched. So I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner. And now I'm gonna add my little twist. I'm gonna go ahead and use a red liquid lip as eyeliner, and I'm gonna do like a red cat eye. And it can't be a JoJo Siwa look without some little glitter, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my brow bone and also in the center. And then for this, I went ahead and applied Mirror Makeup Clown White just to kind of make it even brighter. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara and my lashes, and I'll be right back. But before I do, let's take a look at the difference in pigment. Now you guys see when I did not apply the primer versus when I did. That is a huge difference. Alrighty guys, I am back, and this is the final makeup looks. Now this is JoJo Siwa's side, and then this is my side over here. Fake lashes, y'all. I'm telling you, they really do something. I really thought that that video was gonna be an actual makeup tutorial, and then sometimes it was, other times it wasn't. But yeah, this was still a very funny video to do. If you guys like the format of me doing half of my face the way that they would do it and then half that I would do it, let me know down in the comments below. That is pretty much it for this video today, but let me know which other makeup tutorial you guys want me to follow next. As always, I'm gonna be replying to the comments and reading the comments. I always do. I love talking to you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And also, if you guys can, please share this video with a friend. It always helps me with my algorithm. It helps me grow, and then I can put even more into the channel. But yes, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the future. Bye!